Hello friends, welcome to tutorial days, and in this video you are learning TypeScript. Guys, in previous 3 chapters we have covered, and this one is 4th chapter. So guys, in this one we are going to see TypeScript identifiers, keywords and comments, a complete guide. So guys, let's see this chapter now. So identifiers in TypeScript. In TypeScript we use variable, function and other identifier entities by giving them specific names. However, naming these entities follows certain rules and conventions. These rules are referred to as identifiers. For example, if we write the name of the function, there should be some rule, na? We cannot write whatever we want. Similarly, if we provide any variable name, then it doesn't mean that we can write any name. There is some rules, there is some convention. So what is the difference between rules and convention? Rules means strictly you will have to follow. Convention is which is followed in the industry. So that is the main difference. Ever you make mistake, if you don't follow convention, then it is fine, but not best. The best way is to follow rules as well as conventions. So we will see that what are the different conventions and rules while declaring the variable, function, etc. So including all these things are called identifiers. Okay, now here rules for identifier. What are the rules? Different rules. The rule number 1 is can contain characters, means letters, digits, numbers and underscore or $sign. So this is rule number 1. Cannot start with digit, means like this is wrong. Number 1 or digit 1, then number is invalid. Cannot include special symbol except for an underscore, means and $sign. Only 2 you can use, underscore and $sign. Hyphen and percentage, etc. we cannot use in variable name. Rule number 4 is cannot be keyword, reserved keyword. For example, where, late, classes, these are keywords, no? So we cannot use this kind of keywords. Shouldn't be duplicated. Avoid naming duplicate variables, function with the same name. Means we have already declared the variable, so same variable name we shouldn't declare. Are case sensitive. Remember, in TypeScript the variable names are case sensitive. So first name and first name are two different identifiers, means both these are not same. Cannot contain spaces. Spaces are not allowed in identifier. So these are basic rules and convention which we should follow. Example, first name, this one is valid identifiers. Where is wrong, because where is reserved keyword. Similarly, first name, first underscore name, here you see na, first underscore name, that is fine, because it is according to its rule that we can include underscore. So and this one is wrong, this first name is wrong. Why? Because there will be no space between these. Then there is num1, it is fine because it will always start from either $sign or string, so it is fine. First name, the hyphen cannot you use, means minus sign you cannot use. Underscore is fine. Now $result is fine, but 1 2 3 4 whatever number if you want to provide, so it is not correct. So you should follow this kind of rules and conventions. So these are the rules and conventions, and I believe in almost all programming languages these identifiers are almost same. So if you remember these then if you learn later other programming languages also, so it will be very convenient. You won't have to remember again and again. You want, so almost in all programming languages the rules are almost same for variable and identifier declarations. Now TypeScript keywords. There are a lot of keywords, and don't get worried about it. They said, okay, oh, so many keywords, how I will remember? You don't have to remember, guys. You just you go through once, and one by one you will be using later, so automatically you will recognize that okay, these are the keywords. Okay, just remembering, learning by heart, it's not going to help you. but just for the purpose of showing you that what are the keywords. These are the keywords: break, point, if, else, and enum, return, static. So these are the list of the TypeScript keywords. Next, comments in TypeScript. A comment, there are two types of comment you can use in TypeScript, just like Java. Two types of TypeScript you can use. Comment you can use. Double forward slash. That means what happens actually comment. Normally when you go to college, then you keep writing, then to remember something you write in the note, so that for example you have given the date, so that you can later refer that okay, on that particular date I had written this text, for remembering purpose. Similarly, comment is ignored by compiler. When the program is compiled, then that section is ignored, and that is for developer. For example, why it is important? For example, you have written the code, so maybe after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you may forget that why I had written that code. Or if you have developed program, some other developer, it will be difficult for them to understand that why this section has been used. But if you have written there in comment, then the other developer also will understand, okay, for this purpose, this particular has been function or whatever the code snippet is, that for that purpose it has been used. So that is the purpose. Now multi-line comment, this is the single line comment, and for multi-line comment there is star, forward slash, then star, and then star, and then forward slash. So this way you can comment multi-line. So guys, that's it. There is not so much scientific things in this. So while doing other programs, of course in Angular and other framework also you will be using, and you will know it's very easy. Forward slash means one comment single line, then forward slash star, you write the line, and then later you close it, so that part will be ignored. So let me show you with one program, the program that we had already displayed here now. If I just comment it with double slash, that means what, now the compiler will ignore it. So let's do one thing, we had already compiled here now, so we will compile it again. TSC, let's compile it. Now when we will run this program with node, then you can see there is no output. Why? Because this line, the line number 2, line number 2 has been commented, so compiler and program is not counting that at all, this one. Now if you want to comment multiple line, then what we will do, forward slash star, and then here star forward slash, both the lines have been commented. Now if you try to run this program, it will get compiled of course, but it won't show once again anything. Let's see, it doesn't show anything because both the lines have been compiled. So that is the purpose of comment, and this is how you can use the comment. So guys, that's it in this chapter. So stay connected, and still you have not subscribed my channel, then I strongly recommend you to please subscribe. And if you have any question or queries, then don't forget to write in the comment box. So thank you, let's meet in the next chapter. Bye bye.